Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at OXY here. Now, this morning, I sent out an email to our members suggesting that you buy this stock. I put it on the active trade list, caught it actually a little bit later than I would like to have, and that was at 67 bucks. Now, it turns out, it's a pretty good trade so far. We're up 5-6%, something like that. And I want to just explain to you how I caught it. And it wasn't in the news flow where Warren Buffett or Berkshire has filed asking permission, which I assume is with the SEC, to buy 50% of the shares of Occidental Petroleum on the secondary market, meaning from you and me. And so I don't know whether that was the start of the run, because there were so many other stocks that were setting up the same way. I covered them in a video dedicated to these energy stocks just last night, and this was one of them. I was talking about that setup such that I'd actually set an alert so that I would know if OXY broke out. There were a few others as well, but this was the main one that got hit. And so it did. And I jumped into the stock, and it's all good. Fine. Yay for me. And yay for our members. But this is what I wanted to explain to you. A lot of times stocks will move prior to the news just because of insider trading and all that. We can't really base a trading strategy on that. Though if you do have inside information, you can let me know. We can't base our trading on that. We have to base it on technicals. Now, on an intraday basis, if you're looking at this, if you just happen to be looking at this stock, you're seeing this squeeze here. You're seeing the way this is trading. Tightening, and then finally it's breaking out, so you're getting into it there, and that's if you're using intraday charts, but you really don't have to. I prefer not to. I think they get really noisy, but the way this was trading yesterday, and there were several others as well that were looking fairly similar, this was the setup right here. Buffett's deal, that's just the icing on the cake. But the setup was here, and then once the stock starts breaking out above this next level, that's when you look to buy the stock. So I just kind of got lucky on that. But I will tell you this, if you're not long the stock, I think you definitely want to buy it on Monday. Who knows? Maybe there's going to be a news announcement, but maybe not. I have no way of knowing. I would say this, if the stock pulls back on Monday, maybe it's a crappy open or something, I would take that as a gift, because it's not like Buffett's going to pull an Elon Musk and say, I changed my mind. So this stock is ultimately going higher. The only question is, are you going to be a buyer or not? Okay, that's all I got for you. Have a great weekend.